Quick close-up of these guys here. We got the M2 Exclusive MiJo Year of the Horse Volkswagen set. Gold, black. During the unboxing, didn't quite get the best view of it. So we're just going to take a closer look here. We got the gold one here. Nice little horse on the roof. Harder to see there, but apparently there was 2,026 of these made, just like the year 2026, Year of the Horse, the black one. Had to go through 4 different die-cast stores to get this pre-order, but they showed up during the unboxing. Didn't look quite as good. Just wanted to do a quick little video of them. I like them a lot. The gold, the black. Nice. Have a good one. Peace.